I'm gonna show you how to fix a garbage disposal. It's not working, so when we turn on, it's just making noise. But that's it. So really simple. All you have to do, but safety comes first. So we're gonna unplug, making sure everything's off. And then we're gonna figure out what's going on. So there is the button underneath. Right there, it's the switch. So there's a switch right there, and so it's on. So we're gonna do another trick. So you're gonna use this, depends size you're using it. You're gonna turn left and right. You're gonna plug in right here in the middle, and that should fix the issue if this motor is locked. Let's try it. Let's plug in first.